Hi everyone, my name is Marcella Dominguez and I welcome you back to my channel. If you haven't been here yet, then make sure you hit subscribe so you can be notified of when I release more videos to help small and medium-sized companies with the trademark journey and also understanding trademark tips to help you improve ease of use along the way. My name is Marcella Dominguez and I have been helping small and medium-sized companies for over 5 years. So if you're someone that's interested in registering a trademark, you might have asked yourself, where can I find a USPTO trademark tutorial? Are trademark tutorials even a thing? Are there people on the internet providing trademark tutorials? Does the USPTO provide trademark tutorials? I need someone to walk with me hand in hand because this does not seem as simple as I thought. So if you are someone that has been looking for trademark tutorials, then you are in the right place. Here on my Trademark Lawyer channel, I cover everything from the basics to even the most complicated of issues. So watching almost every single video in this playlist, I know it might seem impractical for some of you, but for those of you that either have time on your hands because you don't have a lot of money, then that is going to be a good option for you. Just go through the videos, listen to them in 10x, because I promise you that it's going to be the equivalent of having a trademark tutorial. And it's going to be a lot easier than sifting through a lot of the reading materials that you might find at USPTO.gov. Now, I'm sure that whoever goes through the reading materials on USPTO.gov might leave with a good understanding, but you also might feel a little bit overwhelmed. So I have been told by various people who leave comments and also people who email me that everything you are going to find on this channel is very straightforward. It's very easy to understand. I put everything in layman's terms so that it feels like a very digestible USPTO trademark tutorial. Now, it is important for me that you grasp what you are learning. So if there's something that you simply don't understand or you're wondering, Marcella, what in the world did you mean when you said XYZ, then make sure that you tell me in the comments below. Because if you never tell me, then how am I ever going to know to improve this channel or to improve a particular topic for your understanding? So besides informing you that you are in the right place if you are looking for trademark tutorials, the next best thing is to visit www.trademarkanything.com. Now, why is trademarkanything.com better than having a USPTO trademark tutorial? Why would you even visit trademarkanything.com? Well, you see, I have put together a very easy to follow trademark application. So if you don't want to sift through all of my videos in my channel, if you do not want to sift through all of the information available at USPTO.gov, Trademarkanything allows you to file your DIY application on a dime. Well, maybe not on a dime, but you catch my drift. It's going to be at a huge discount. You can follow this easy DIY trademark application intake form that we have available for you, and we will file your application. It is so easy to use. I can't tell you how many people go through it and they leave with 0 questions because everything was so easy to understand that no stone was left unturned. So if you want to be in that same person's shoes, in other words, many people who have already used trademarkanything.com, then I want you to also take advantage of that easy to use application that is available anytime, 24 hours a day. And either it's going to eliminate the need for a trademark tutorial, or it's going to feel like a trademark tutorial in and of itself because we are telling you exactly what information you need to provide, and we're spelling it out so easily that, like I said, no stone will be left unturned. So make sure that you visit trademarkanything.com if you are interested in doing away with a tutorial, doing away with wasting time and having to figure out what USPTO.gov has to say about trademarks because you just don't have that kind of time. You see, if you've watched my videos, you already know that I always say entrepreneurs who are starting out either have time on their hands or they have the money to spend on various business expenses. Now, if you're not the person who has a lot of time on your hands because you have a laundry list of things to do that's this long, then cutting down on the amount of time that you're going to spend learning the trademark process is going to be a huge advantage to you. Because I have already said in other videos before, and I have said this in my trademark book that's available on Amazon, that if you are not going to engage in a repeatable process for your business, then you should be outsourcing that job. So in other words, if you are somebody that plans to file trademark applications many times a year, then yes, it probably makes sense for you to really hone in on the information in this channel, understand how to file a trademark application from beginning to end, because you're going to repeat that process. Now, if you're not going to repeat that process, it might seem like a waste of time because you could be using that time to acquire more customers, which might turn into repeat customers, more business, more profit for you. So what would you rather invest time in? Something that is not a repeatable process or something that is a repeatable process, like finding and acquiring new customers? So if you are of that mentality and you are of that mindset that you're going to allocate time properly where it belongs, then make sure that you spend just a few minutes of your time on trademarkanything.com, where the DIY trademark process will be really simple and really straightforward. Even better than that is hiring our law firm, because we do everything for you from A to Z. Guess what? If for whatever reason your trademark application fails the first time, we even let you use our services for free the second time around. What? For free? Yes, I said for free on the second go round. But you need to call us or you need to email us, because listen, we just don't throw up this information out there everywhere. Although that might change in 2021. But anyway, if you're interested in having our law firm help you directly, then make sure that you send us an email. So just scroll down into the description below. I know that sometimes you get caught up with the information, you start skipping to the next video and the next video, but make sure that you always scroll down into the description, because there you are going to find the links to trademarkanything.com and also to our law firm directly. And remember, it doesn't cost any money to send us an email, so I always encourage you to do so, and I really look forward to hearing from you. So if you haven't already, make sure that you keep watching the next video in this playlist, because I have segmented this Trademark Lawyer channel by playlists, and one of those playlists is trademark information. So in one playlist, you're going to find everything about how to file a brand new application. What does a specimen mean? What kind of problems would my trademark application encounter if I decided to do this on my own? When should I hire a lawyer? What does trademark infringement even mean? And all of these topics are in the trademark playlist. Now, because entrepreneurship is so important to me, and I know it's important to you as well, otherwise you wouldn't be on your entrepreneurship journey, I have also compiled a playlist on some of my favorite things to help me as an entrepreneur. Now, some of these are tech gadgets, such as a ring light, or some of these things are to help de-stress, such as a diffuser. Now, if you're somebody that's really into, shortcuts and finding out what tools other people are using to either enhance their videos or just enhance their business life or to help calm them down, then make sure that you go to that playlist first. And all of these items you can find on Amazon. So again, make sure that as you go through these playlists, if you find one video that really, really resonates with you and that you really like, or you have a really strong opinion on, make sure you tell me in the comments. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Give me a thumbs down if you thought I could improve. Now, this channel is reserved for entrepreneurs, and I want entrepreneurs to leave their most sincere comments and to be honest with me, because in this channel I am really providing you with the information that I have under my belt. I'm sharing with you some products that I use on a daily basis, and if they helped me, then I know that they could help you. And everyone's journey is a little bit different, I know that. But if I can help ease, or if I can help make the journey a little bit smoother, then I am happy to do so. So I look forward to seeing you in the comments or in my mailbox, and make sure to hit the red button down below and subscribe. So if at the end of the day you're uncertain about whether a trademark tutorial would serve you well, make sure you visit trademarkanything.com, the simplest DIY trademark application you will ever use. It is straightforward, easy to understand, fast, efficient, and guess what? More importantly, it is within your budget. Trademarkanything.com.